Okay, hello guys and welcome back to a brand new video. So firstly, I'm really sorry for missing a weekday upload. I have been so ill for the past week and I'm still not 100%, but it's not going to stop me from doing today's video. Now for today's video, we're going to be doing a POV drive. I'm just going to try and find some like back roads because that's where the car's going to be good kind of thing. Yeah, so I've also had like so many comments like saying I can't drive because I went on Officially Gassed battles and the nerves just got to me, like being on such a big like channel. I just messed it up and I clearly forgot how to drive. I won one race which I beat Jessie, so I'm actually thrilled about that. But yeah, I don't know, I fancy a drive out anyway and it's a nice day, and I'll prove to you all that I do know how to shift this car. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed. I had so much fun. The main reason I'm not that great at corners, basically, there's something wrong with my car, and you're probably thinking, oh yeah, of course she says that. There is actually a problem suspension wise. I think maybe either the steering rack or the bushes, they're just one of them, or something is knackered. It's going to motion in 2 weeks to be diagnosed, but the car, like, if you're steering, it kind of does, like, it's very responsive, but it doesn't feel like it's connected to the car. It feels very, like, it almost feels floaty. So I don't trust it at all around corners. So yeah, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to upgrade all of the suspension, like bushes. I'm going to get a new steering rack if it needs one and everything, and proper refresh the car because it is on 183k. So everything's probably like old anyway. I will be taking it to motion to have whatever is wrong with it done. And then when everything's like more sturdy and I'm going to get coilovers, we'll have to do like, I'll have to do an upgraded POV drive because at the moment I genuinely just don't trust the car. But apart from that, I had actually so much fun. I went way too quick around the corner. If you heard it, my tyres were screeching and I thought, I'm going to die here. Ran out of talent, haven't I? But yeah, guys, if you do enjoy these videos, please do subscribe because a lot of you are watching but aren't subscribed. And if you do subscribe, it helps me out massively. So I do hope you enjoyed today's video. My next video, I'm going to be servicing my own car for the first ever time. Not as in like the car's never had a service, as in I've never serviced a car. And I'm convinced I'm going to put like screen wash in the engine.
Wait, I just weighed myself. I've lost 2.8 kg this week.
Why have I put weight on?
I don't know, but I've been in a calorie deficit all week, so I've lost 2.8 kg. You won't keep that in the video. You won't keep that in the video. Well, if you do, it's funny.
Subscribe.